Hey, breadies! Grab something to draw with and a piece of paper. Today we're gonna do hot chocolate for the holidays. Let's get started. All right, breadies, so we're gonna do a cup of hot chocolate. Super fun and super simple. Ready? We gotta practice our shapes today. So we're gonna go about, keep it right here in the middle because I got a surprise I'm gonna do on the top. So first, let's just do a slow curving line across the middle of our page. Perfect. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, breadies. Now, we're gonna do the top of our cup. So we're gonna go over a little and leave room for our surprise, and up and over a little, just like that. So we know this is where the hot chocolate's gonna be. Cool. Now we're gonna match this line here. I'm gonna go over and match this line here. Ready? Over and over. Perfect, breadies. All right, now we're gonna take it down. Ready? Down. And same thing over here, we're gonna take it down. Down and over. Now we're gonna do the bottom, breadies, from here to there. Ready? Over. Perfect, breadies. All right, now we're gonna do the fun marshmallow surprise I had for you. Ready? A line up. And then a curve, and then a line down. And then we're gonna do like a wave right here, ready? Wavy line. Perfect. And let's match these lines, take them into that marshmallow. And then another, we're gonna do the same marshmallow right behind him, ready? So we're gonna go out this way this time. We're gonna go out, curve, and down. Perfect, breadies. And now we're gonna do a wavy line. And that is gonna be our little marshmallows in our hot chocolate. Cool. Now we need to connect this part and connect this part. And then in the back, boom. So that is our cup, our hot chocolate, and our little marshmallows. Now we're gonna do a handle on this side. So that's really easy. We just go out, down, and in. And then we match it. Out, down, and connect at the bottom. That's our little handle right there. So good, breadies. All right, now we're gonna do a face on the cup and faces on our marshmallows. So let's do some silly faces. You know I like to do silly faces. Let's make a grumpy marshmallow here. So we'll go upside down and we'll do a tooth and a tooth to make him grumpy. And then we'll do a line and a line for his grumpy eyes. And then little circles. Boop, boop. So cool. This guy will make silly. Let's do a happy face, just a quick and easy happy smile. We'll give him a little tongue. And then we'll do like 2 open eyes. Whew. Whew. So we got grumpy guy with black eyes. And we got happy marshmallow. All right, and then we want to put a silly face on our cupcake, our hot chocolate cup. So let's do some like spill coming out, some drips of the hot chocolate because it's flowing over because it's so good. All right, and then for him, we'll probably have to do some really far eyes to fit because we got our our drops there. So let's do one big circle and one big circle. Ready? One big circle. Two big circles. And then we'll do a yummy, happy smile. So just a smile with a tongue. He's trying to lick the chocolate and he's happy. Perfect, breadies. All right, let's just fill that in with two circles for the pupils. One, two, and then color in black for the ball here. Simple. Looks so good, breadies. Now, breadies, guess what? It's time to color together. Let's do it. All right. What color should I make the cup? My favorite color is blue, usually like a light blue or like a teal blue. So I'm gonna test out some blues. That's kind of dark. Let's try a brighter blue. Yeah, I like this one. All right, breadies, let's do it. Super fun to draw and color. And I get to do it with you. Coloring is so relaxing. Don't have to worry about nothing. Just concentrate, try your best. You can do any color you want. You can do a green cup, red cup for Christmas, or choose your favorite color like I did. We're gonna do the chocolate brown, of course, the little drips. Now we gotta do our handles. Blue back there. And done with our blue. Now we need brown, but I want to do like a light brown because if it's too dark, you won't really be able to tell, but also chocolate is kind of a darker brown. So I guess we got to go with like this darker brown. Let's try it. It's going to be dark, but if we don't do the dark, it won't look like chocolate. That looks good. Can't wait to see yours, breadies. Tag me in all your drawings. Send them to our IG. We'll shout you out. I love watching you guys draw. It's looking good. We gotta do our tongue pink so they know it's a tongue and not a tooth. So let's do our tongue pink. And that one pink. Let's do what I like doing when we have like white for the marshmallows. I like giving it a little blue outline just to show like some color. All we do is simply give a little outline. Really brings it to life. Marshmallows and the hot chocolate's the best part. Let's give them some blue eyes. Make him pop. Actually, since he's a mallow, let's just do black. I don't want to get too crazy. We'll just do little black ones. Let's give Grumpy a little bone color to his teeth. All right, Breadies, that's it. That was super fun, Breadies. I hope you had so much fun. Check it out. Check the details. Super cool hot chocolate. I hope you had fun, and I hope you can have some hot chocolate this season. I'll see you tomorrow, Breadies. Like and subscribe so you can watch another one and practice with me tomorrow. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.